What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome to my channel. We're going to be taking a look at a pair of unreleased Pharrell Solar Hue glides. We talked about Pharrell sneakers in a prior video where I felt that the hype has died down. You know, I felt like the hype has just died down. No one's really talking about Pharrell sneakers anymore. You know, he did just put out the NMD plaid pack and it kind of did very well. It sold out. However, it looks like they're dumbing down a little bit on the stock numbers. I think you're going to be able to get that close to retail sometime very soon. So it looks like the Pharrell, you know, the NMDs are still going to be releasing in 2019. It looks like they're going to be making also a big push with the Solar Glide hues. This silhouette was introduced to us back in 2018. There was 3 colorways. There were multicolors. One was a full-on white, one was full black, and then there was a full orange one too as well. And this one I got in my hand is going to be like the smoke gray, or kind of like that stealth gray colorway. It does feature full-length boost, except, you know, you got a little bit of an inch here by the toe. Then you also has a full mesh upper, super breathable. And then you got that Pharrell Hue logo that's embroidered right on the toe box. I really like on the sneaker. I think that's kind of a dope little thing that he does. It's like a full-on sock-like shoe. I mean, the laces sort of lock you down, but it's not necessary. You got a little bit of a 3M hint here on the lace locking system, and then you got a full-on just gray, plain gray heel cap, and then you got the Hue logo, which is embroidered. It looks like printed. But what I also like about this shoe is the price point. I mean, these in particular only cost $150, so it does fit that niche, I feel, with Adidas and Pharrell as far as like their selection of sneakers that they put out. I feel like there is like a market for this shoe. You know, not a lot of people can go out and buy the Ultra Boost. The Ultra Boost range from, you know, $180. I've seen some go for $220, $250, depending on how crazy the prime knit designs are. Now, there's gonna be a ton of colorways coming out in this shoe. This one is the stealth gray. I do expect a full-on black version too as well. I did see a full-on red one, and then there also, the one that Pharrell has been wearing a ton is that yellow. It's like a bright neon yellow with some green laces or a little offset yellow. That one is going to release as well. That one's the one I'm really excited for. I'm really excited to get my hands on that pair. Overall, I think this is I think it's still a dope sneaker. It's kind of interesting though that they're doing like a lot of solid colors in this shoe. You know, it's creativity and his style that these shoes would be crazy and colorful. But it looks like they're gonna be some basic flat out colorways in this shoe, and I think that's gonna hurt them a little bit. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a first-hand glimpse at, you know, an upcoming Pharrell sneaker. But guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the Solar Glide hues, just in general. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.